wood turners, bowl makers, best friend. But everybody tells us Carbide's better. But look at the price of a Carbide turning tool. I did. I couldn't believe it. But I went and I made myself my own. I bought the Carbide insert from Easy Wood Turning CI0. It comes with a replacement screw also. And I used 1/2 inch key stock, and then I turned it keyway down 5 inches. And I milled the end down the 100 to match the height of the Carbide, and then countersunk where the screw goes down and tapped the hole and have the Carbide touching the back here, so there's no real force always on that screw. So I'm going to epoxy my piece in. It's got 5 inches into the handle after I clean this all up and get it all shaped. I will be making a video of another one I'm making, but I figured to show you all my quick interesting, make of what I wanted to do today. Kind of wanted to get a Carbide tool, but I didn't want to pay that expensive price. Save your money, make it yourself.